Hello, Wildcats. This is Miss Ivy coming at you for Monday's Marvelous Book Talk. Today I'm going to be talking to you about S.E. Hinton. The actual book that I'm talking about is That Was Then, This Is Now by S.E. Hinton. S.E. Hinton is one of my favorite authors. Yes, Jason Reynolds is still my favorite, but so is S.E. Hinton. And for those of you that don't know, S.E. Hinton wrote a classic that I believe that everybody should read. And our 8th grade ELAR classes are about to start reading that. So I wanted to expose the rest of you to S.E. Hinton's greatness as well. Her name is actually Susan Eloise Hinton, but she decided to go by S.E. Hinton because of the time period when she was writing, and the characters that she writes about are mainly boys and, that time period. And she didn't want people to judge her because it was a female author writing about boys. So even authors, make conscious decisions like that because they don't want to be judged either. So anything you need to know about S.E. Hinton, come ask me. I know lots about her. So anyway, on to our book talk. That was then, this is now. So in this book, since childhood, Byron and Mark have been like brothers. Basically, they consider themselves brothers. They've done everything together. Their friendship has, lasted through so many things. But now they're kind of growing apart. Byron's spending a lot of time with girls and just trying to decide who he really wants to be. And Mark is still about living in the moment and about the thrill that comes from living in the moment. But then, like I said, the two are growing apart until Byron makes a shocking discovery about Mark. And then Byron faces a terrible decision, one that will change both of their lives forever. So what is this discovery that he finds out? What will he do with that new information? Will they remain friends? To find out, read That Was Then, This Is Now. This is Miss Ivy coming at you from your Wayside Library.